Minimalist Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As the days get warmer and the sun shines brighter, there is no better time to turn your attention to the great outdoors. If your backyard is currently looking a bit neglected or just plain boring, don't worry, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into some incredibly cool backyard ideas for summer that will completely transform your outdoor space into the ultimate seasonal hangout. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a compact patio, these design concepts will inspire you to step outside and make the most of every single sunny day. An outdoor living area is essentially an extension of your home's interior, designed to bring the comfort, style, and functionality of your indoor living room right out into the open air. It is a dedicated space where nature meets thoughtful design, blending elements like cozy seating, ambient lighting, and beautiful landscaping. Choosing to invest in a cool backyard design for the summer is one of the best decisions you can make for your home. Not only does it significantly boost your property's curb appeal and overall value, but it also creates the perfect environment for hosting unforgettable summer barbecues, pool parties, or quiet evening gatherings. Beyond the social perks, having a beautiful backyard oasis encourages you to disconnect from screens, breathe in the fresh air, and enjoy the physical and mental health benefits of spending more time in nature. Cool backyards are both functional and stylish, equipped with little extras that will make spending time outside more fun. There are a variety of changes you can make to your existing backyards and patios without having to call a contractor. Check out these 15 cool backyard ideas to help you create an entertaining and social outdoor space. One. Stock tank pool. Cool backyard with stock tank pool. Fulfill your dream of a backyard swimming pool with a budget-friendly stock tank pool. Customize it with a vibrant color and add a simple wood deck and modern seating to create an inviting spot that your friends and family will love. 2. String lights. Cool backyard decorated with string lights. Use large Edison bulb string lights to bridge various zones in a deep rectangular backyard lot. This San Francisco space includes a corner fire pit seating area, an outdoor bar, and a picnic table for dining. 3. Outdoor dining area. Cool outdoor dining table in a DIY stock tank garden. Build an easy DIY raised container garden on your backyard patio. Leave room for a dining table and chairs for hosting dinners, and decorate it with a botanical print tablecloth and fresh herbs. 4. Outdoor TV feature wall. Cool outdoor TV with tiled accent wall. Create a focal point for an outdoor TV wall using patterned tile. The dark tones of this geometric accent wall help the TV to blend into the background when not in use. 5. Grill station and pizza oven. Cool backyard entertaining space ideas. Set up a gas grill and a wood-burning pizza oven to make casual entertaining more fun. Arrange a sophisticated lounge space with contemporary furniture and a modern gas-burning fire pit where guests can relax with a drink. 6. All-weather fire pit area. Cool backyard patio with portable fire pit. DIY a budget-friendly fire pit using a kit or a repurposed vessel. Surround it with modern chairs and wood stump side tables, and bring out sheepskin throws and extra blankets to create an all-weather gathering space. 7. Mood lighting. Cool backyard stairs LED lighting ideas. Install colorful outdoor LED lights to give your backyard lighting scheme variation. Blue strip lights are both functional and aesthetic in this sloped backyard with multiple levels and atmosphere landscape lighting. 8. Modern pergola. Cool moody backyard pergola and fencing ideas. Make a pergola from a kit, then stain it dark brown or black for a moody and elevated backyard design. Give your privacy fence the same finish for a cohesive look. and add contrast with seating in lighter neutrals. 9. Outdoor fireplace. Backyard deck with portable fireplace ideas. Install a freestanding fireplace on an outdoor deck to add ambience without calling in a contractor. Source a vintage preway model with its signature conical shape and orange finish online for an authentic look. 10. Backyard movie area. Cool backyard movie night ideas. Host movie night in your backyard. Hang a white sheet on the fence and use a projector screen if you don't have the budget for an outdoor TV. And decorate a cozy seating area to make it inviting. 11. Deck with hanging chair. Backyard deck with pergola and hanging chair. Suspend a hanging chair from the rafters of a pergola for a breezy feel on your backyard deck. Decorate your deck with terracotta planters and woven lanterns for a modern boho style feel. 12. Fire pit patio. Cool backyard fire pit patio ideas. Build a fire pit patio in the corner of your backyard to create a safe and discreet spot for nighttime entertaining. Go big if you've got plenty of space, or scale down for a smaller lot. 13. Indoor-outdoor lighting. Cool backyard lighting ideas. Add ambience to a backyard deck by hanging an outdoor pendant light from a mature tree. Choose a sleek, oversized fixture for a dramatic effect that will complement a modern home. 14. Backyard water feature. Cool backyard water feature ideas. Create a Zen garden feel with a water feature. From burbling backyard fountains to waterfalls, the soothing sounds will make your outdoor space more relaxing. 15. Outdoor living room. Cool backyard with outdoor living room. Set up an outdoor living room on your backyard patio or a patch of artificial grass, and decorate it with modern furniture. Light wood and stone finishes and white upholstery on outdoor seating will create a modern feel. Creating the perfect summer backyard doesn't require a professional landscaping team or a massive budget. It simply takes a little imagination and the right design inspiration. By blending comfort with style, you can easily establish a functional outdoor retreat that you, your family, and your guests will love all season long. Remember that your backyard is a blank canvas, and every small upgrade, whether it's adding some cozy textiles, installing string lights, or setting up a dedicated relaxation zone, brings you one step closer to your dream home exterior. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today, and we hope these ideas help you craft the perfect backdrop for your summer memories. If you loved these backyard design ideas, please hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for your weekly dose of stunning outdoor inspiration. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an episode on how to elevate your home's exterior. We want to hear from you. Which of these backyard ideas was your absolute favorite? And what are your big plans for your outdoor space this summer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read and reply to as many as we can.